Hello, all, good afternoon. A quick note on how you check your due dates and where you submit some of the assignments, especially for your portfolio. So first thing is under weekly folders, what I do is I post the due date for everything under the weekly folder. So where it has the overview, at the bottom of the overview in this area here where it says assessments, you'll see all of the due dates highlighted for that particular week. So now if I go back to weekly folders and I go week 2 synchronous, same thing. All of your due dates posted under assessments. If I go weekly folders again and I do week 2, which is next week. So coming up next week so the asynchronous, let's say the asynchronous is what you do before Wednesday, right? That's what you do before Wednesday, or what you look at definitely before Wednesday, or you start looking at this weekend. So we have, so I'm going to post a prompt. I didn't post that prompt as yet. I'm going to post that prompt today, and that's due on June 27th. Then you respond by June 29th to other individual shreds, and then you read and you review by July 1st. So that would happen after we've met on Wednesday night. Weekly folders again. I go back week 2 synchronous. So this is when we meet next Wednesday. So you're expected to read all of these things before next Wednesday. You expect to read this, listen to the interview with Trent Batson, Your reflective journal, just like we did this past Wednesday, it's due July 1st. And your interactive slide presentation is also due July 1st. We'll discuss the interactive slide presentation in class. All of your due dates are generally posted under assessments when you look at it. Next thing I want to share with you is where you submit where you find details for the portfolio assignments. Under requirements and rubrics, you have what are my requirements for you engaging in your discussion board communication. Rubrics for participating in class. Rubrics for your reflective journal. And then your teaching with technology portfolio. This is the biggest project you'll be working on for the semester. This is a breakup of how the percentage scheme is allocated. When I go into this folder here, Teaching with Technology Portfolio, you will see where we speak about the Teaching with Technology philosophy. This is what you're doing for this coming week. You would click on the philosophy guidelines. It tells you how it should look, what's needed. It will give you some resources. It gives you the guidelines on this. Close this window. Then you have the rubric. You can see, so this is what I'll be using to grade you and evaluate you. Please review that. That gives you an idea of what you need to be looking at. And then when it comes to interactive slide presentation, we'll have some examples here of what you can do and additional resources. So we'll discuss all of that next week for the interactive slide presentation in class. And this is where you find everything else. I hope this answers some of the questions about how you where you get the information on it. When it comes to submitting the Teaching with Technology philosophy and anything else here, assignment submission. And you would go to Teaching with Technology philosophy and you would submit it right here. All right, so requirements, submission, under submission. All of the other due dates are within the week that we are currently meeting and currently focusing on. I hope this answers any questions you may have. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.